if you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Spotify account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're using a secure device to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture or username, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security Settings section. This is where you will find options related to two-factor authentication and other security features. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. This should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to turn off this feature. Click on it to disable two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Spotify account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and monitoring your account activity.